Welcome to our Famous Names IBX webinar. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about famous names in some of our products, but basically IBX. A little bit about famous names. We're based in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this company was started by Jim and Linda Nordstrom, which is myself, in 2010. And IBX was our anchor product. As you can see, we've grown a little bit over the years. Let's get right into talking about IBX. So this is going to give you an overview of what IBX does, how the products work, what the application is, and some of the marketing ideas that we may have for you. IBX is a natural nail strengthening system. It's made up with two parts. It's repair and strengthen. What it does is it toughens the natural nail from the inside out. So when you get done with an IBX treatment, there is nothing left on top. Everything is into the layers of the natural nail plate. There's about 3 reasons to use IBX. Number 1 is anytime we're using a gel polish or a dip system, something that we're soaking off and putting back on, we use IBX to actually help protect that nail plate. IBX also, in that case, can help reduce some of the white spots that some of our customers may get. Number 2 is it helps repair natural nail. So someone that maybe has splitting or peeling, lines and ridges in their nails, someone that's maybe suffered from some kind of a medical trauma. So IBX can actually help that natural nail strengthen up and be able to grow out again. And then, of course, in the new growth area. So when you're doing a rebalance with gel, polygels, acrylic, just to keep that nail plate nice and healthy. We have a great number of pictures to show you of different kinds of nails. As you'll see here, splitting and peeling, lines and ridges, just really thin nails, white spots. IBX is applied to the top of the nail plate, just like nail polish. It is a penetrative, curable monomer system that is HEMA-free. What penetrates IBX down into the layers of the nail plate is the help of some warmth over top. So we use either a traditional light bulb, that's a 75 to 100 watt equivalent, some of these nail polish dryers that have warm heat. It has to be warm, gentle heat. The help of that heat, along with some penetrative oils, namely avocado and jojoba, together help get IBX down inside the nail plate. Once we get it down in the nail plate, then we are going to gently remove whatever's left on the top. Remember that IBX is only going to work on the inside of the nail plate. Then we cure with either our LED or UV lamp. The cure time is different for each lamp. So whatever lamp you're using, you cure IBX to the time that that lamp cures your gel polish color coat. So why do we use it under gel polish, soft gels, dip systems, anything that we're actually soaking off? We want to protect the upper layers of the natural nail plate from the removal process. Sometimes when we soak our nails in a liquid for too long, sometimes those nails might puff up a little bit. And sometimes when we go to push off our product on top, we might cause some little micro pits like you see in this diagram here. IBX will eliminate those micro pits because we're going to be laying in that very surface of the nail plate with our repair. For natural nails, splitting, peeling, delamination, nails that just have the hardest time to be able to grow out, we're going to build that nail from the inside out. And the great thing about it is that it's not an expensive service. We recommend a $5 to $10 charge, depending, and this little duo pack that you purchase will do over 100 full set applications. The first product is Strengthen, and Strengthen is the workhorse of the system. Strengthen can be used by itself. Strengthen goes into the upper third portion of the natural nail, and it creates something called an interpenetrating polymer network inside the nail plate. So it actually fuses the layers together. Strengthen inside the nail cross-links to itself, not to the keratin of the nail plate. We use this very thinly, and again, we cure it to the time that our lamp cures our gel polish color coat. Where repair for natural nail is going to be for surface-based damage. So we would use repair wherever it is that we saw damage. On a splitting and peeling nail, we would put it in between those splits, and it would hold them like double-sided sticky tape or Velcro. And then we would follow up with strengthen. Under gel polish, we would put it over the entire nail. Our repair is only going to go into that very top layer. So that's the product that's going to help eliminate the white spots that we sometimes get and help eliminate them from happening at all. So let's get started. So before we start, we want to make sure that these are nail products. It's a combination of monomers and oils. We only want to get this on the natural nail. Make sure that you know if your client has any previous nail reactions. Obviously, you would not want to apply IBX. So you need to make sure that you have your heat source all lined up. 75 to 100 watt equivalent bulb. You only need to be about 6 to 8 inches away. Once we get IBX inside the nail plate, we are going to remove what's on top, and then we will cure on the inside of the nail, and that causes that IPN to cross-link and start strengthening the nail. So we want to always start with a clean bare nail. We shape it, we file it, make sure we get it nice and clean with Sanitize. We will apply our IBX repair if needed. So the first step is to apply a thin layer. For gel polish over the entire nail, for a natural nail, we would only put it where we have visual damage. We would gently heat under our heat source for 1 minute. We will lightly blot the excess from the surface with a lint-free pad, and then cure in our LED or our UV lamp for the same amount of time that lamp cures your gel polish color coat. Cleanse with your Sanitize, and then you go on to your strengthen. The first time only, we are going to be doing the strengthen 2 different times. This is called our jump start. So again, the same 5 steps. So we would apply our strengthen over the entire nail plate, gently shaking it. And the first time we're going to heat, it will be for 4 minutes. Then we lightly blot the excess from the surface, cure with our LED or UV lamp, and then we cleanse. And now, first time only, we're going to go back again, and we're going to apply strengthen for the second time. This time, we are going to still use the 5 steps, and we're going to gently heat for 2 minutes. Once you are done with this step, you now go on to apply your gel polish, your gel, whatever it is you're doing. Do your natural nail manicure as you normally would. IBX does not replace your gel polish or your natural nail base coat. Now, when your client comes back for the next treatment, you'll go back to your instructions. You'll do the 5 steps of repair with the heat for 1 minute, and then you will do the 5 steps of strengthen. This time, the heat is only 2 minutes. Here's some suggestions on pricing. Bottom line, it's anywhere between $8 and $20. Make sure that you take advantage of some of the marketing ideas that we have. To see more on this, take our full IBX certification class, where we talk a little bit about helping you market IBX. Don't forget about Daddy Oil. Daddy Oil is 100% natural. It is a skin and nail treatment oil, so it goes really well together with IBX. The 3 main oils in Daddy Oil are certified organic, our avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, jojoba, and then we have natural vitamin E. So take a look at Daddy Oil. We do have a certification class that you are welcome to take. It is not any charge. We do it for free. If you take the class, you will end up being IBX certified. So get in touch with us at famousnamesproducts.com. And here you can always register for our class with Marty. This is our Famous Names Starter Kit. We teach a lot about retailing, and I wish you all a great day. Thank you.